In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order on the Deliveroo app. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first timer, these steps will guide you through the process effortlessly. Let's dive in and get you started with your next meal order. First things first, you need to download and open the Deliveroo app. If you haven't already installed it, head over to your device's app store and download it. Once downloaded, open the app to get started. The Deliveroo app is your gateway to a wide variety of restaurants and cuisines right at your fingertips. Next, you'll need to enter your address or let the app detect your location. This step is crucial as it allows Deliveroo to show you the available restaurants and delivery options in your area. If you prefer the app to detect your location automatically, ensure your location services are enabled for a seamless experience. Now comes the fun part: browsing restaurants or searching for specific food. Deliveroo offers an extensive selection ranging from local favourites to international dishes. You can simply scroll through the list of restaurants, or if you have a craving for something specific, use the search function to find exactly what you're looking for. Take your time to explore. Who knows, you might discover a new favourite spot. Once you've decided on your meal, tap the items you'd like to add them to your basket. You can select individual dishes or opt for set menus, whatever tickles your taste buds. Make sure to check for any customization options or special instructions the restaurant offers, ensuring your meal is just the way you want it. After adding your choices to the basket, it's time to review your order. Go to your basket and double check everything before proceeding. This is your chance to make any last minute changes or additions. It's always good to ensure that your order is complete and accurate, avoiding any surprises once your meal arrives. If you have a promo code, now is the moment to apply it. Look for the option to input your code in the basket and enjoy some savings on your order. Deliveroo frequently offers promotions, so keep an eye out for codes that could make your meal even more satisfying. Finally, select your preferred payment method and tap Place Order. Deliveroo provides various payment options for convenience, including credit debit cards, and sometimes even digital wallets. Choose the one that works best for you, confirm the details, and place your order. You're all set, and there you have it. You've successfully placed an order through the Deliveroo app. Now, all that's left is to sit back and wait for your delicious meal to arrive at your doorstep. Enjoy the convenience and variety that Deliveroo offers, and happy dining.